everyone. I will introduce some of the new products, air compressors, to you. Today we are going to our own factories and we will introduce some of the air compressors to you. Now we will introduce one by one. The first one is a smallest air compressor. This air compressor can work with one chair. Now this air compressor, the most important is first this tank. We have the 4 different color can be choice: blue color, silver color, white color, and green color. The second, our tank is 32 liter. It's very different with the other suppliers because they only give you the 30 liter. So our tank is bigger than them, but our price is better than them. This is the first difference. The second one, this motor is 500. This is 600 watts. The others dental suppliers, they give you only 550 watts only. This is means our motors is powerful than any other supplier in China. And this year, and also can choose 110 and 220 watts. Both is okay. Also, this air compressor is oil free, and also the noise is very quiet. It can be used for the dentist with satisfied. Thank you for everyone.